So in this segment, I'll show you what happens when the bot breaks and we need to escalate to a more senior technician if the user can't provide the correct information within a certain set of business parameters. Of course, these business rules can be changed to align or meet your internal processes or security requirements. So let's rewind the demo and start again. So it'll basically be identical to the previous scenario, but we're gonna try to break the bot this time. So same message body, same intent. So now when the email is pending, what's going to happen is that it's the same thing. I'll get a link to the chatbot just as I did in the second demo, but this time around when I get asked to enter my phone number, I'm going to enter it incorrectly, so then we can see kind of what happens upon escalation when we get connected to a human agent. So the email has just arrived, and it's the same thing with the link. Great. So now I'll go ahead and open the service desk chat. And this time I'll just enter it correctly. Great. So once I click this, I'll be routed to speak with a human agent. And then at the same time, I'm going to show the back end a little bit. Oh, the agent has just entered the conversation. And on the back end, you can see that I've now gotten, there we go. I've now gotten an update on where the request is. So if I click this, then again, you can see that it's in progress along with the message body and that recent activity as well. Cool. So since this helped jog my memory, I'm going to enter my phone number correctly now. And of course, these are the business parameters I was mentioning earlier. You can change this to be something like your employee ID number, manager's name, whatever you guys see fit. Cool. So in the meantime, I'm just going to open up my OneLogin URL. And this is my account. And cool. I have now been given a temporary password, password123. And let's try it out. Great. So now I have officially regained my access to my OneLogin account, and this has been resolved. But on the back end, let's just make sure everything is closed out. So I'll hit refresh. Awesome. We can see that the status has been resolved, and at the bottom, the whole history of the conversation, and you can see here everything was solved at 10:46. And great. So this concludes our demo for the escalation path. And now let's move into a use case for Salesforce provisioning via OneLogin.